Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use iMessage on Android. Pro tips step by step clearly. To use iMessage on Android, you'll first need to set up a compatible third-party application. Look for an app like iMessage or iMessage on the Google Play Store. Download and install the chosen app. Next, you'll need a Mac to set up the iMessage server. Turn on your Mac and ensure it's connected to the internet. Open the Messages app on your Mac and sign in with your Apple ID. Make sure your Mac is configured to stay awake while you use the app on your Android device. Check the settings in the app to ensure your iMessage account is active. On your Android device, open iMessage or iMessage. Enter your Apple ID and password to link your account. Make sure your Mac is running and connected to the internet during this process. If prompted, allow the app to access notifications and settings for the best experience. Now, you can send and receive iMessages on your Android device seamlessly. Keep in mind that you may experience some limitations compared to using iMessage on an Apple device. Regularly check for app updates to ensure you have the latest features and improvements. Be cautious with security and privacy settings, as you are using third-party software. Finally, enjoy texting your friends and family using iMessage from your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.